Welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today we're going to take a look at refrigerators that produce ice 50% times faster than other fridges. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. If you've ever hosted a party, one thing that you know that you need is ice, and a lot of it, as quickly as possible. This refrigerator from GE may be the answer for you. The PSE25GE side-by-side refrigerator's ice maker features a cutting-edge quick ice setting, which creates ice up to 50% faster than normal ice makers. It also has a storage bin that holds up to 10 pounds of ice, so there will always be enough ice for any occasion. In addition to the fast ice maker, the advanced water filtration system reduces trace pharmaceuticals from the water and ice. The filtration system removes 98% of ibuprofen, atenolol, fluoxetine, progesterone, and trimethoprim. These pharmaceuticals are not always in all water, but they can be caused by animal-based agricultural runoff or human sources. But if you have trace amounts in your water, this filtration system will eliminate it. Another nice feature about this product is the angled LED lighting in the fresh food and freezer section. It illuminates every inch of the compartments, so you can easily see what you're looking for when searching for food. Adjustable slide-out spill-proof glass shelves with raised edges help prevent any spillage from dripping down to other shelves and damaging food or staining your shelves. The dispenser assembly can do cubed ice, crushed ice, and chilled water. There is also a child lock feature and a door alarm. You can step into this side-by-side GE refrigerator for around $1,900. With new technology, there will always come a point where you will need a repair. ApplianceVideo.com has you covered. They created a complete series of videos to help you fix this GE fridge for yourself. With a library with over 6,000 repair videos, ApplianceVideo.com should have what you need to assist with your next repair. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.